In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to the Grammarly browser extension. Before we dive into the details, let's make sure you've already got the extension installed on your browser. If you haven't done that yet, don't worry. There's a separate installation guide available for you to follow. Once you're all set with the installation, let's begin the process of logging in. First, look for the Grammarly icon on your browser toolbar. It's identifiable as a green circle with a G in the center. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. This action will bring up a pop-up window associated with the extension. Within this pop-up, you should see buttons labeled Login or Sign In. Click on the appropriate button. Now it's time to enter your credentials. This could be your email and password combination that you use to create your Grammarly account. If you happen to sign up using one of the available social login options, such as Google, Facebook, or Apple, you can use those credentials as well. Simply select your preferred login method and complete the sign-in process. Upon successful login, the extension will be seamlessly connected to your Grammarly account. At this point, you'll notice it working its magic by checking your writing across various supported web fields. It's a handy feature that enhances your writing experience by catching errors and making suggestions in real time. But, as with any technology, you might encounter some hiccups during the sign-in process. If you run into trouble, there are a few things you can try. First, check to ensure that the email address you're using is correct. Sometimes a simple typo can cause login issues. If the credentials are correct and you're still experiencing issues, it might be helpful to clear your browser's cookies and cache. This can often resolve minor glitches interfering with the process. Sometimes, ad blockers, VPNs, or other browser extensions might interfere with Grammarly. If you suspect this might be the case, try temporarily disabling these extensions. Doing so could potentially smooth out any conflicts, allowing you to log in without a hitch. With these steps covered, you should be well on your way to enjoying all the benefits that the Grammarly browser extension has to offer. It's a fantastic tool to help you refine your writing and communicate more effectively. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy writing!